Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This truck driver thought that laws do not apply to him and that his truck is more powerful. Running a red light. Great. How is that guy flipping this driver off? This isn't a parking lot, mate. What a save! That truck appears to have hydroplaned and hit the barrier. Always be careful around rain.
Walk up in the function, make the whole screen. She told me flip over, poolside in the man's head.
Ecstasy for your face. Taco Bell and the drug ecstasy are very...
Wow, dude, that's awesome. What? Bro, it's just a stop sign right now. That's crazy. What? Like, it's so much time to stop. Oh my god, dude. Wow, okay. Yeah, that was not legal. What the fuck was that? Wow. Wow. With a fucking car. What the fuck? What? What the fuck was that?
I always choose to do my makeup only when I'm driving. Like, isn't that what my car interior light and mirror are for?
Just passed a lady that was doing makeup while texting. She had her sun visor down with the light on to do her makeup.
A few moments later.
Wow, everyone's just running. What the f? What? Bro. No way. Holy shit. What? What the f is that? What the fuck? Holy shit, lady.
A few moments later.
don't think this is a blind spot because you can probably see each other just looking out of your window.
That divestitures don't always work has to do with Albertsons itself. Back in 2015, Albertsons bought Safeway. This was a really big merger. It did get approved, and as part of the approval, regulators required Albertsons to sell off almost 200 stores, and as part of this divestiture. And it got sold off to a number of companies, and one of the companies that bought...
Leave a like if you're enjoying the video so far. I might even celebrate like this driver, drifting around corners. Driver trying to squeeze in. This is why only certain cars are allowed on the beach. But it appears here that even the truck got stuck. This is why your mum's car stays at home and not on the beach. Would it have been better to wait for a green light? Who throws out a bucket in the middle of the freeway? Life hack, except it might put you in a lawsuit for almost killing someone. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.